Hey y'all, welcome back to Symphony's Treasures. I'll be showing you how I make this bling hoodie. So I created it in Design Space and I'm sizing it up to put on the middle part of my hoodie. Now it's about to cut out with my Cricut machine, so I'm adding the vinyl here, making sure everything is stuck down properly, and Cricut is about to do its job. Now I'm cutting it out, weeding the vinyl. Next, you're going to see me pressing it. And that's the finished product on that part. Now here's the tedious part where I am gluing each rhinestone on one by one. I'm using Gorilla Glue for this project. These green trays, I got them from Amazon. I'm using SS20s, SS16s, SS2 and 3 as filler stones. For my hoodie, I used 3 different color stones. I used the AB crystal, which is my favorite. I used gold and I used white. So y'all, sped the video up because, again, as I stated, this is a very tedious job to do one by one, and I wanted to get to the finished product for you guys to see it. I used the Gorilla Glue, which is very durable, but I will be hand washing or either dry cleaning this hoodie. I love how the finished product came out. I hope you do too. I get so many compliments on it. Thank you guys for watching. Hit that like button, comment, like, subscribe, and share this video.